Hello everyone, I'm Sneha and welcome to my YouTube channel Sneha Describbles. Today I'm here with another video review. In this video review, I'm going to talk about this beautiful book 99 Moon Avenue by Anumita Sharma. This cover is so catchy that it will make you pick the book for itself only. So this story revolves around a beautiful bungalow in middle of Delhi, our capital, which is named 99 Moon Avenue. It is a British colonial bungalow, and there is so many tales associated with this. And at length, this book talks about the myth which was associated with the bungalow, and it moves back forth between past and present. The past, we come to know the story of the British times. The central character, Jalas, is stuck between two women, which in present is Sarojini, who comes to the city from her small town to get a degree for her further education, and a woman who was killed in the same bungalow, 99 Moon Avenue, who chooses Jalas to retold her a story, and Jalas is stuck, or we can say that he is captivated with both the women, and he played an instrumental role in life of Sarojini, and at the same time he was talking with the woman who was killed in the bungalow. And how the story unfolds, you have to read the story to know more, of course. There are a lot of things going on in this story. On surface, this is just a usual story about a bungalow and how it is reconstructed in our times. But if you will go in depth, there is a story about the fake institutes who are sprout like mushroom, we can say, in the city, and how it loot and mm, tug the students. You will get to know about it, the story, the English speaking classes and all that thing which we see in our day-to-day life too. And there is an incident where Sarojini got admission in an institute which is part of such a scam, and how she fight for justice, and how she when she is finally getting adjusted, and in her college and personal life, how she get attacked from by a molester, and how it changed her life completely, and how it changed her outlook and perception of life. It everything is there. You have to just read the story and you will come to know about this. This is really a beautiful story, and I am sure you are going to enjoy reading it, because I have enjoyed it. And the story is a bit complex, we can say that in a general language. So you have to read really carefully to get the essence of the novel, because the part where the ghost tells her story, it is a bit slow, and I think we need some extra care to read it to get the essence of it. And but once you will get the hang of the story, you are surely going to enjoy it. The story is told in multiple narrative, and it's beautifully presented. The characters are thought provoking, strong, and well portrayed. The story is strong, as I have already said. I really love the character of Sarojini, and we can say that it's a Bildungsroman kind of a story, where the protagonist uh, transforms in due course of the novel, and this you can see the glimpses of a strong woman in Sarojini, how she changes from a timid girl from a small town to a strong, powerful woman, career woman, we can say that. And there are so many things about Delhi. You will love reading about it. I really enjoyed. I feel like I was roaming in the road of Sarojini Market, sorry, and Lajpat Nagar and all that thing. So it is a must-read story. I have given this book 4 by 5 star, and the narration is medium paced and bit slow at sometimes, but it's really beautifully presented and molded in such a way that both stories became one at one point. So it's really interesting. The cover, as I have shown you in beginning, It's really eye catchy and justifies totally. I really love the way the author does not romanticize the love and all that thing. He just presented a reality of love and all that thing in this novel, and the bitter truth of our society is also there. And please do read this book and share your views with us. If you have liked my video, please like, comment, and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. I will see you with another video review next week. Thank you.